The Baya Weaver bird, scientifically known as Plosius philippinus, is a small passerine bird that belongs to the weaver family. Found predominantly in South Asia, this charming little bird has captured the attention of bird enthusiasts and scientists alike. Its unique behavior, intricate nest weaving skills, and vibrant plumage make it a fascinating subject of study. One of the most remarkable features of the Baya Weaver is its exceptional nest building ability. The male weaver constructs intricate, pendulous nests from reed, grass, and twigs, often hanging from the tips of branches. These nests resemble an inverted flask and serve not only as a shelter for the weaver and its offspring but also as an architectural marvel. The nest weaving process involves precise movements, as the male weaver meticulously knots and weaves the materials together to create a sturdy and secure structure. Such nests are not only aesthetically pleasing but also serve as a courtship display, attracting potential mates. Speaking of courtship displays, the male Baya Weaver goes to great lengths to showcase its nest-building prowess to the females. The intricate nests are an essential part of the courtship ritual, where males hope to impress females with their craftsmanship. The better the nest, the higher the chances of attracting a mate. It is not uncommon to witness males working tirelessly to perfect their nests, sometimes even tearing them down and starting anew if they are dissatisfied with the results. The female Baya Weaver, on the other hand, is more discerning in her choice of mate. She carefully evaluates the nest's quality and selects the male whose nest most impresses her. Once a pair has formed a bond, they work together to line the nest with soft materials like feathers and plant fibers, providing a comfortable and cozy environment for their future offspring. Apart from their nest-building abilities, Baya Weavers are also known for their beautiful plumage. During the breeding season, male weavers display vibrant yellow and black feathers, making them easy to spot amid the green foliage. The females, on the other hand, have a more subdued appearance, often sporting olive-brown feathers, which provides them with effective camouflage while incubating their eggs. The Baya Weaver is not only a remarkable species in terms of its behaviors and aesthetics but also plays an important role in the ecosystem. Being omnivorous, these birds feed on a variety of insects, fruits, and grains, contributing to insect control and seed dispersal. Furthermore, their nest-building activities help to regulate insect populations and shape the landscape. In conclusion, the Baya Weaver bird is a captivating creature, exhibiting extraordinary nest-weaving skills, striking plumage, and intriguing courtship behavior. Its presence in the South Asian region adds to the biodiversity of the area, and its role in maintaining ecological balance cannot be underestimated. Studying and understanding these fascinating birds can provide valuable insights into the intricacies of nature's design and inspire us to appreciate and conserve the unique biodiversity that surrounds us. Conservation challenges for the Baya Weaver bird. The Baya Weaver bird, with its mesmerizing nest-weaving skills and vibrant plumage, has long captivated the attention of nature enthusiasts. However, despite its captivating qualities, this charming bird faces several conservation challenges that threaten its population and habitat. One of the primary challenges for the Baya Weaver is habitat loss. As urbanization and agricultural expansion continue to encroach upon natural areas, the bird's nesting sites and foraging grounds are being increasingly destroyed. The clearing of forests, wetlands, and grasslands deprives these birds of the essential resources they require to survive and reproduce. With diminishing suitable habitats, the Baya Weaver faces difficulties in finding safe places to construct its intricate nests and find sufficient food sources. Another significant concern is the illegal trade in these birds and their nests. Unfortunately, the Baya Weaver's nest-weaving abilities have led to the exploitation of these birds for the pet trade and traditional medicine. Nest poaching for decorative purposes or alleged medicinal benefits poses a severe threat to the bird's population, particularly during the breeding season when the nests are most desirable. Moreover, climate change also poses a threat to the Baya Weaver. Altered weather patterns, extreme temperatures, and unpredictable rainfall can disrupt their breeding and foraging patterns, affecting their reproductive success and overall survival. Climate-induced changes can also lead to shifts in vegetation and habitat suitability, further exacerbating the challenges faced by these birds. Conservation efforts for the Baya Weaver must address these challenges to ensure the survival of the species. Effective conservation strategies include habitat protection and restoration, which involves designating and preserving areas crucial for the bird's nesting and feeding activities. Collaborative efforts between governments, conservation organizations, and local communities are essential to ensure the long-term protection of these vital habitats. Additionally, raising awareness about the conservation needs of the Baya Weaver is crucial to garner support and action from the general public. Educational campaigns can help highlight the importance of preserving these unique birds and the ecosystems they inhabit. Engaging communities in sustainable practices that promote coexistence with wildlife can further contribute to the birds' conservation. International collaboration is also vital, especially in tackling the illegal trade of the Baya Weaver and its nests. Strengthening enforcement against wildlife trafficking and increasing penalties for such activities can act as a deterrent and reduce the demand for these birds in the illegal trade. Furthermore, scientific research on the Baya Weaver's behavior, ecology, and population dynamics can provide valuable insights to guide conservation efforts effectively. Such studies can help identify critical areas for protection, understand the impacts of climate change, and design targeted conservation measures. In conclusion, the conservation of the Baya Weaver bird is essential to safeguard the species from the numerous challenges it faces, including habitat loss, illegal trade, and climate change. By adopting a holistic approach that combines habitat protection, community engagement, public awareness, and international cooperation, we can work towards securing the future of this charming and ecologically valuable bird. Only through collective efforts and commitment can we ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the remarkable nest-weaving skills and vibrant plumage of the Baya Weaver.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share